Dead center, every time. Hey, that's a pretty big lag screw. Are you sure you want to do that?
I'm just gonna hang something on the ceiling. I used a stud finder.
With a pull-up bar, you're going to need a stud finder that finds the dead center every time, otherwise you might wind up dead.
Yeah, that's a really good point, but what am I supposed to do? It's not like I can see through walls.
You can with this.
Oh, what's this?
This is the Walabot. It can see behind walls. It will give you a live image of everything behind the wall. It'll show you wood studs, metal studs, live or dead electrical wires, plastic pipes, and metal pipes.
Dude, that sounds great. Let's give it a try. All right, now that we've got the Walabot, we're gonna use that to find the studs so we can hang the pull-up bar and find any wires or pipes that might be in there too and avoid them. If you wanna see the full breakdown I did on this, there's a link in the corner or check it out and link down below. All right, we got it connected, so let's calibrate. All right, there's the center. Mark the center of the stud. All right, let's mark the center of the stud. All right, now let's find the other two, the one on this side and the one on the other side. All right, there's the one to the left. Let's see. Mark this one. All right, there's the other stud. I'm going to have to move my ladder. All right, there's the stud to the right. All right, so here's one side of the pull-up bar, and we're going to put it up on the ceiling and mark the holes for drilling. It's just my garage ceiling. What's the worst that could happen? All right, we're going to drill out the second hole. Now we can do pull-ups whenever we want. And I didn't have to worry about hitting any pipes or wires. I'll do one pull-up for every subscriber from this video.